Ever wondered how a group of individuals can ignite a change that impacts the entire society? Welcome to the fascinating world of collective impact. This isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful concept that, when harnessed correctly, can set in motion transformative change on a societal level. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and faster until it becomes an unstoppable force. That's the power of collective impact. It's about individual efforts snowballing into something much larger than the sum of its parts. In our increasingly interconnected world, collective impact is becoming an essential tool for social activism. It's about realizing that no person is an island and that we can achieve so much more when we pool our resources and work together towards a common goal. But what exactly is collective impact? Simply put, it's a structured approach to collaboration. It's when a group of people or organizations come together to address a specific social issue, leveraging their collective resources, influence, and expertise. Now you might be wondering, why is this pertinent today? Well, let's face it, the challenges we face as a society are complex and multifaceted. From climate change to social inequality, these issues can't be tackled by a single entity alone. In other words, they demand a collective response. Take social activism, for instance. By harnessing the power of collective impact, activists can amplify their voices, influence policies, and drive systemic change. It's not about shouting louder. It's about many voices singing in harmony, creating a chorus that's impossible to ignore. So how does collective impact work? It's about aligning efforts, measuring results, and fostering a culture of learning and improvement. It's about creating a shared vision and working tirelessly towards it. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, one that requires patience, commitment, and above all, collaboration. That's the beauty of collective impact. If a group of people can come together with a common agenda, the possibilities for societal transformation are endless. So what does collective impact truly mean? Well, in essence, collective impact is a concept that encapsulates the power of unity. It's the belief that when we come together, focusing our efforts towards a common purpose, we can bring about significant change. It's not rocket science, but it's a methodology that has been seen to work wonders in numerous fields, from public health to education and beyond. Now, let's break it down a bit further. There are 5 conditions that make collective impact effective: common agenda, shared measurement, mutually reinforcing activities, continuous communication, and backbone support. Starting with a common agenda, this is about having a shared vision for change. It's not about what one person or organization wants, but rather what the collective envisions as the desired outcome. This unified vision is the guiding light, the North Star that helps everyone stay on track. Next, shared measurement. This is all about making sure everyone is on the same page about what success looks like and how it's measured. It's about creating a common language and understanding around progress and impact. Thirdly, we have mutually reinforcing activities. This means that the actions of all parties involved are coordinated and support each other. It's not about doing the same thing, but doing different things that complement each other to achieve the same goal. Fourth is continuous communication. This is critical in maintaining trust, keeping everyone informed and ensuring alignment. It's the glue that holds the collective together, preventing misunderstandings and fostering a sense of community. Finally, backbone support. This refers to the need for a dedicated team that coordinates and oversees the collective's efforts. They're the unsung heroes, the ones who keep the wheels turning and ensure everything runs smoothly. So there you have it. Collective impact is not just about individual efforts, but a shared commitment to a common goal. It's about understanding that we're all pieces of a larger puzzle, and when we work together, we can create a picture far more powerful and beautiful than any one of us could create alone. Let's illustrate this with a real-life example: the Harlem Children's Zone. In the heart of one of New York City's most vibrant neighborhoods, the Harlem Children's Zone project has been making waves. This initiative is a remarkable testament to the power of collective impact. It's a story of a community that refused to let its children fall through the cracks, a tale of determination, resilience, and collaboration. The Harlem Children's Zone project began with a straightforward yet ambitious goal: to improve the lives of children in Harlem. This wasn't just about providing better education or healthcare facilities. It was about creating an environment where every child feels safe, nurtured, and has the opportunity to thrive. Part of what makes this initiative so unique is its holistic approach. The project understands that addressing one issue in isolation isn't enough to bring about meaningful, lasting change. So they didn't just focus on education or healthcare or housing. They tackled everything together, creating a comprehensive network of services that cater to every aspect of a child's life. This endeavor wasn't easy, but the results speak for themselves. Thousands of children in Harlem now have access to quality education, healthcare, and a supportive community. Test scores have improved, graduation rates have risen, and the future looks brighter for these youngsters. But this isn't just a story of numbers and statistics. It's a story of people. It's about the educators, healthcare workers, community leaders, and parents who came together for a common cause. It's about their dedication, their hard work, and their unwavering belief in the potential of these children. The Harlem Children's Zone project is a shining beacon of hope. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we work together, when we put aside our differences and unite for a common goal. It's proof that collective impact isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful force that can transform lives and reshape communities. This example shows us the power of collective impact when people collaborate for the betterment of society. What happened next in Harlem, you might ask? Well, the aftermath of the Harlem Children's Zone project was nothing short of remarkable. The effects were profound and far-reaching, not just for the individuals directly involved, but for the entire community. A wave of positive change swept through Harlem, with the project acting as the catalyst. Improved educational outcomes were perhaps the most immediate and tangible results. Children who had once been written off as lost causes were now thriving, their potential unlocked by the nurturing environment and the supportive framework of the project. High school graduation rates soared, and college enrollment became the norm rather than the exception. But the impact didn't stop at the school gates. The project also played a pivotal role in reducing crime rates. With access to a quality education and a safe, supportive community, young people were less likely to fall into a life of crime. They had hope, they had opportunities, and they had the tools to build a better future for themselves. The project also had a ripple effect on the broader community. It fostered a sense of unity, pride, and purpose. The community came together, working towards a common goal, and in the process, it became stronger, more resilient. The transformation of Harlem didn't happen overnight. It was the result of countless hours of hard work, dedication, and collaboration. It was the result of a community coming together, believing in the power of collective impact, and making a commitment to change. The success of the Harlem Children's Zone project wasn't just about improving test scores or reducing crime rates. It was about empowering a community, about giving people the tools and the opportunities they needed to thrive. And the effects of this are still being felt today, not just in Harlem, but in communities around the world that have been inspired by this example. The success of the Harlem Children's Zone project is a testament to the power of collective impact. And it serves as a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we work together, when we believe in the potential of our communities and in the power of collective action. The question now is, how can you contribute to collective impact? You see, the power of collective impact is not exclusive to large organizations or influential individuals. It's a power that each one of us holds, and it's a power that grows exponentially when we unite. So how can you harness this power in your own community? One way is by volunteering. Volunteering allows you to give back directly to your community, whether it's by cleaning up a local park, helping at a food bank, or mentoring a young person. Your time and energy can make a significant impact, and when combined with the efforts of others, it can lead to transformative change. Another way to contribute is by starting your own community project. Perhaps there's an issue close to your heart, a problem you've noticed in your community that you want to address. Starting a project can be as simple as organizing a neighborhood cleanup, or as complex as launching a program to tackle food insecurity. Whatever it is, your initiative can spark change and inspire others to join in. Advocating for policy changes is another powerful way to contribute. Policies shape our societies, and by advocating for changes, you can help to create a more inclusive, equitable, and sustainable world. This might mean writing to your local representative, attending town hall meetings, or even running for office yourself. Each of these paths offers a way for you to contribute to collective impact. But remember, it's not about the size of the action, but the heart behind it. A single ripple can create waves, and it is through these waves that we can make a significant impact. Remember, every effort counts, and together we can make a difference. If you want to learn more about topics like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's continue to learn, grow, and change the world together, one collective impact at a time.